Hello everyone, good to see you again. We are in north of France. We'll visit Rouen, Conflans and Les Andelys. Rouen is a city of the River Seine in northern France. Rouen Cathedral is a Roman Catholic church in Rouen, Normandy, France. The cathedral is in the Gothic architectural tradition. The most famous painting of the cathedral were done by the Impressionist artist Claude Monet. The estimated value of one painting is over $40 million. The city is nice. You can find everything you need there. It's not crowded and it's not too small also. Grosse Horloge is the clock and installed in a Renaissance arch crossing the Rue du Grosse Horloge. Conflans is located in the northwestern suburb of Paris, 15 miles from the center of Paris. Conflans is not as big as Rouen, but still you can enjoy the view of Seine River by the cafe or restaurant. Les Andelys is a commune in the Eure department, Normandy, in northern France. It is also lies on the Seine River. The view is fantastic. The hill standing by the Seine River makes the scene of Les Andelys perfect. The green grass lies side of the river with the sidewalk next to it. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming video from another places. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!